Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor Daniel. That's the third loan. This is actually the first loan. They are all done. So after a 2-week period, I have done all our loans, and this is actually the second loan. This is the second loan. I am lacking some nails, so I just put the temporary thing. I will be ordering one more pack of nails, 8 inches length, so it will be strong. But as of the moment, loan number 3 is done. Loan number 3 is done. Loan number 3 is done. Okay. That's loan number 3. I am lacking some nails, so as soon as my order will arrive, I'll try to put the final nails for the installation of this loan number 3. But with regard with the installation, they are installed but not yet fully nailed. Okay, that's loan number 2. This is loan number 1 actually. That's loan number 1. That's loan number 1. We'll go to loan number 3. Loan number 3 is the one under the tree. This is loan number 3. That's loan number 3. That's loan number 3. That's the front of our house. This is loan number 3. Loan number 3 is done also. I got the water outlet here. Any volume of water which will come out during rainy days will be accumulated here. I will bring it out here. It goes underneath, and this is the outlet of that thing. So the backside is not flooded actually. Okay. Okay, that's it guys. That's the total performance of my do-it-yourself artificial grass installation, and which it's actually very tiring. Why very tiring? You must have to prepare the loan. You remove the grass, uproot it, you try to compact the soil. After that, then try to remove some topsoil because those are garden soils. And after that, you compact the topsoil. Then you added a decomposed granite as a topsoil for the artificial grass to be put on. So after putting the decomposed granite, you compact it, and you are ready to put the so-called weed barrier. So after putting the wood barrier, the last thing to be done is actually to install the artificial grass. And that artificial grass is actually installed by using 8-inch nails all around. So it will be sturdy. Okay? One more time before we will go to the house this afternoon to rest after a 2-week doing this do-it-yourself artificial grass installation. Lawn number 2, it's done. Lawn number 1, it's done. Lawn number 3, it's done. That's it. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. Good afternoon from Los Angeles.